Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering up and pairing quickly. First, charge the Noise Colorfit Quad to about 50% to avoid interruptions. That prevents mid-setup shutdowns. Next, install the Noise app on your phone and enable Bluetooth so the watch is discoverable. Once done, open the app, create or sign into your Noise account, and grant permissions for location and notifications. These let the watch sync automatically. Follow the on-screen pairing prompt and confirm the code shown on the watch to link devices securely. Now configure the watch so it works for your routine. You'll pick a watch face and adjust brightness. That preserves battery and improves readability. Then enable notifications and set Do Not Disturb windows so alerts arrive only when you want them. For health data, turn on continuous heart rate and SpO2 tracking and enable automatic sleep detection so the app logs trends. Finally, assign quick access buttons and workout shortcuts to get to exercises faster. This saves taps during training. To finish, use the watch daily and keep it synced. Each morning, open the Noise app and pull to refresh so steps, heart rate, and sleep upload. This keeps trends accurate. If a sensor stops updating, restart the watch and your phone, then repair. That often resolves connectivity glitches. Make sure firmware updates install promptly to fix bugs. If problems persist, back up settings and perform a factory reset. And contact Noise support. Describe steps you've tried and firmware version for faster help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.